Are you looking for the best steam cleaner? In this video, we will show 5 best steam cleaner. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Car and Auto Detailer. Brand, Bissell. Color, black and copper harbor. Item weight, 13 pounds. Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Up to 50% better cleaning with Hydro Steam technology. Steam, powerful suction and OX formula removes set-in stains and tough stuck-on oily messes from carpet, upholstery, and other surfaces. 3 cleaning modes: steam wash for tough oily messes, steam for refreshing upholstery and cleaning tile and grout, and wash for enzyme-based stains like pet accidents. Fast drying dries upholstery in about 30 minutes so you can enjoy clean, dry furniture quicker. Multi-surface versatility. Tackle tough stains and dirt on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and auto interiors with the 5-inch Tough Stain tool. Unlock hard surface cleaning with the Multi-Surface tool for cleaning tile and grout and even sneakers.
Number 4. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner with 17-piece kit. Powerful, chemical-free cleaning for floors, cars, tiles, upholstery, kitchen, bathroom grout, carpets, and more. Kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Brand, Dupray. Special feature, carry handle, heat light indicator, high pressure, portable, steam on-demand trigger. Surface recommendation, tiles, grout, hardwood floor, windows, mirrors, ovens, stovetops, countertops, BBQs grills, showers, bathtubs, sinks, cloth steaming, curtain, pet bed, car detailing, tiles, grout, hardwood floor, windows, mirrors, ovens, stovetops, countertops, BBQs grills, showers, bathtubs, sinks, cloth steaming, curtain, pet bed, car detailing, see more. Powerful chemical-free cleaning. Generates superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 135 degrees Celsius to effectively lift dirt, grease, and grime from a variety of surfaces without using harsh chemicals. Clean, sanitize, refresh, detail, and deodorize multiple surfaces naturally with just water. 17 multi-purpose accessories. Versatile kit is engineered for whole home cleaning, from grout lines and ceramic tile to sealed floors, appliances, car interiors, carpets, upholstery, and more. Compact and portable design. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and sleek design enables effortless cleaning in tight spaces, corners, and hard-to-reach areas. Large tank capacity. Long runtime of 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill, enabling hours of deep cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent refills. Lightweight, engineered for reach. Long hose and extension tubes let you leave the steamer in place while you move easily around floors, walls, car interiors, corners, and tight spaces with no need to bend.
Number 3. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. 2-hour runtime, chemical-free, 23 accessories, mop head, brushes, and more. Built for home, tile, carpet, furniture, and personal car detailing. Brand, McCulloch. Special feature, chemical-free steam, large capacity tank, personal car detailing at home, rapid heat up, steam control. Surface recommendation, floor. Model name, MC1385. Included components, 23 accessories, steam cleaner. Chemical-free cleaning. Naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot pressurized steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces, including tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. 23 accessories. Equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home, including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, brass brush, angled nozzle, scrub pad, scraper, squeegee, and more. Conveniently store accessories on board or in included storage bag. Detailing oriented. Experience personal car detailing at home with the MC1385. Its powerful steam technology, versatile accessories, and intuitive design make it easy to target tough stains and hard-to-reach crevices, ensuring your vehicle is spotless.
Number 2. Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Natural Steam Cleaner with 12 pieces accessories. Multi-purpose steamer for home use. Steamer for cleaning floor, upholstery, grout, and car. Brand: Fewett. Special feature: continuously steam out. Powerful and high-pressure steamer for cleaning. Safe for pets and more. Specialty multi-surface steamer. Super fast heating. Surface recommendation: hard floor, tile, grout, sofa, window, car, furniture, upholstery, fabric, sink, countertop, wall, kitchen, and bath surfaces. Model name: WHL603. Powerful hot steam, 1050 watts with 3 to 5 minutes fast heat up, and emits pressurized powerful hot steam 230 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 8 to 12 minutes. Multi-surface cleaning. Steamer is suited for virtually all hard surfaces, including ceramic, marble, and sealed hardwood. It's great for tile, sinks, stoves, windows, sofa, toy, and car. Chemical-free and safe. Fewett steam cleaners for home use 100% chemical-free with no harmful fumes or residue. Safety child cap extra protects your family's safety. Healthy and friendly steamer for kids and pets. Lightweight and portable. Handheld design and compact body make it easy to carry around. 9.8-foot power cord provides efficient operation and easily clean hard-to-reach areas. The lightweight cleaner design makes it convenient to carry from room to room.
Number 1. Steam cleaner for home and car. Portable handheld steamer for cleaning with 3-level handle, 15 seconds heat up, large tank, 16 accessories. Clean grease, grout, tile, floor, couch, dirt, furniture. Brand: Q-Top. Special feature: steam cleaner. Surface recommendation: floor, tile, couch, car, grout, upholstery, window. Model name: steam cleaner. Premium ABS construction for long-lasting use. Crafted from premium heat-resistant ABS material for enhanced durability during high-temperature operation. Driven by a potent motor, this steam cleaner generates significant steam power. It achieves an optimal cleaning temperature of 221 degrees Fahrenheit, 105 degrees Celsius remarkably quickly in just 15 seconds, allowing users to begin cleaning tasks almost immediately without delays. 50 psi high-pressure steam. The generated steam is delivered at a powerful 50 psi. This combination of high temperature and significant pressure ensures deep penetration into various materials like grout, fabric weave, or porous surfaces, effectively loosening stubborn dirt, dissolving grease, and achieving a thorough clean. Crucially, this high-pressure, high-temperature steam provides a chemical-free solution proven. 1,400 milliliter and tank 3-level adjustable handle. Features a large, transparent, high-strength water tank, capacity noted as both 1,400 milliliter, that allows users to easily monitor water levels at a glance. Delivers 45+ minutes of steam. 3-stage steam adjustment dial on the handle enables targeted output for delicate surfaces or tough grime. Combined 79 inches, 2 meters steam hose and power cord provide 158 inches of total reach. Effort.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.